Welcome to Travel Expo 2025.
Walang free eco bag.
Lake Cebu, pagkaya sa Lotus Garden. Kahit isa lang.
Ay, ang cute naman. Magkano?
Ayun yung price na sila na.
149.
Sa sauces naman po is magkabag po.
Yan yung may sili. Para ito na yung... Boracay, Philippines, 3+1 promo. Suman. B, gusto mo tikman?
Sige. Yung ano yan. Ako din. Thank you.
PO20. Back 4 days and 3 nights. Oh. May ganito sila. Saan to? Dito to?
Hindi na natin mo yan.
Kaya nga beats eh. Hindi ba to yung beats? Insuring. Basta mo kayo kaya. Sabihin mo sa amin.
Saan yung book nila?
Hindi na.
Diyan, somewhere there. Sige, okay lang. Nakakahiya naman.
Okay, thank you.
Kailangan mo lang. Bi, mayroong pang baba.
Kaya nga, B, hanggang 7 tayo dito, B. Nagpaalam ako hanggang 7 ako dito, B. Sabi ko, sasaglit lang ako. Pero charot lang yun.
Ayan, may pa-art set.
So, saan kayo nakikinig? Dito to. Ito.
Ayan. From Osaka.
A famous and bustling shopping city. We are dedicated to delivering exceptional service to ensure all our visitors have convenient and enjoyable trip. So first, let me
Hindi ka may quiz.
May quiz po ba yan?
delivery service.
Ano marinig
So convenient for all. Okay. And then, every day we're selling 100 suitcases. Per day, per day we're selling 100 suitcases of kids and parents. Okay. So right now we're gonna ask some questions.
Sabi ko na nga, may quiz. Sa transport,
One-night service.
delivery luggage, property.
Yes, very good na. There's same day like delivery for KIS delivery service. Second question, which airport do you serve for the KIS delivery? Very good na.
Actually ko naintindihan yun. Nakita ko lang yung picture.
Last question. How many suitcases do you make per set? But you choose the figure number.
Yeah.
Ma'am, right now, let's play bato-bato.
Wala ka.
Panalo mo ako, ha?
Okay. Panalo mo kayo. You will take 1,000.
You use paper.
Like that?
Oh, so you use paper.
I use paper, ha?
You like paper?
I like paper yung blocks, ha?
I like it.
If you win,
Bato.
I'll trust you.
Ah!
Congratulations.
Yay!
Go to our stores in
I will go to your store. Where is the store in Japan?
Yes.
So I need to go to Japan.
Yes. Let's buy it.
So only for this, I can only buy it for 1,000 yen.
Yes.
And this is how
Yes, sir. So, not buy this.
let's start about how much money ba?
Buy our registration.
I have to see
Our KIS catering service.
Yes, ma'am. That's it.
Oh, yeah.
So tapos, ano yung so, ano lang to? Dito lang sa Bales? Sa Bales?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ito dapat dito pa sa kanya?
Japanese food.
Ah, Japanese siya. Hi! Okay. Hi, Taiwan! Hi, Masaya. Okay. So, dito lang siya. So, magkano yung usual na ba? How much is the usual price in Japan?
1,000 yen. I-convert mo sa peso.
Yeah, 7,000. So you need 7 tickets. But you can pay 5,600 here, and then you can show 7 tickets, take 7,000.
Oh,
You
okay.
can
Can you give me another 6 tickets? So, I take that voucher so I can buy one bag?
Yeah, in Japan.
Oh, in Japan. But can you give me now? So I'll go to Japan and then I'll just claim.
Actually, ma'am, meron kami for sale na ba?
You need, for now, you need 6 tickets.
Okay.
Then,
So I need.
Ay, sir, may kasi
to have another
Wala, yes, please.
question.
Thank you.
So I
malaglag, sir, in this.
Ayan, okay. Sige, thank you.
are you coming to Japan? Are you coming to
I
Japan?
wish to go to Japan, but I don't know when.
Oh,
So, even my partner is sometimes he's in Japan. So I was thinking it's transferable. If ever that I really want to buy it, so maybe I can ask him to buy it for me. That's why I asked him as well.
Bye.
Picture.
So we have personal accident insurance, and then we have emergency medical treatment. So included na po dyan yung coronavirus, sickness and accidents.
Pag dun na ano.
Yes po, and then we also cover yung travel inconvenience benefits.
Game ka na ba?
Go, touch it. So wala bang talo dito?
Pero sorry eh.
Talaga? Oh! Yes, my turn. Oh, it's my turn.
Mo.
So alin ang pinaka ano? Sige go.
Pwede ko kay AJ.
Voucher also. Yes. Thank you.
B, sogo ka. Ako din. Pasogo naman.
Dito free iced tea. Ano ka ba?
B, pasogo naman. B. Pasogo ka naman.
Lagi ako dito free iced tea. Ano ka ba? Sogo.
Ano meron pa? Ano gagawin? Oh, may discount card tayo.
Sa baba. Oh, sa baba tayo. Madam.
Sa baba tayo. B, talaga ayaw niya sa akin. Ballpen lang.
World's 18th distinguished leader. The PTCDP ensures a balanced and forward-thinking strategy to wisdom-oriented governments. Sites enhancement.
Yung may ropa of your choice.
Ni Maropa. Hot. Wow! Wow.
Oh, wait lang ha. Di ba to?
Ginawa po on.
Gawa ka mo ulit, dali.
Hoy!
sustainable travel. Through the PTAA Foundation, we champion
the grandest travel expo in the Disney region. Mabuhay ang PTAA, mabuhay ang Travel Tour Expo.
Innovation, beyond borders.
Nakakagulat pala to. Go fight.
Congratulations, City Coordinator Vivo, and now we invite Ms. Jurado to announce the Supreme Award.
Mag-hop ka talaga ng hotel. Tabi-tabi na siya no?
Hotel Locura, Hilton, Sheraton, and then Holiday.
Tapos pipilin niya yung voucher na yan. How much?
38,999 ba?
Tour Expo 2026 here at SMX Plaza City. See you there.
Kita tayo nakapag-cafe.
Oo nga no? Baka meron pa, Bi. Uy, ayun dito.
That's the information.
At this point in time, we'd like to thank our chapter sponsors for making
Kamsahamnida!
Anong TikTok namin? Hindi pa naman sa'yo.
Kita ka ata dyan. This love has taken its toll on me.
So Alan, may nabenta ako dito, 200.
And that's it. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.